Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Sir Nabeel. I hope you all are well. So class, our today's topic is union of two sets. So firstly, we have to recap what is set. A set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Each object in the set is called an element. In everyday life, we often encountered a collection of objects such as a pile of books, a bunch of keys, a team of players, a school of dolphins. So, this is Venn diagram. We can represent a set by using Venn diagram. You can see there is a set A with a universal set U. Now, we are talking about the rules for Venn diagram. When drawing a Venn diagram, we have to keep these three rules in our mind. Do not put commas between the elements. Do not write the element too close together. Write the element inside the set but label the set U or a set A outside the set, that is outside the rectangle or the circle respectively. Now, union of two sets. Consider the set A 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B 3, 5, 6, 7. Since all the elements in the set are distant, we cannot write the same element twice or more. So we draw a Venn diagram as shown below. So this is the example how to put the set in a Venn diagram. We notice that the element 3 is common in both sets A and B, and they lie in a union of A and B. So we write A union B equals to 3. In other words, A union B is a set. So in general, the union of a set A and B denoted by A capital U B is a set of all the elements which are present in A or in B. Now there is a work example for you. Question number 1. It is given that A equals to FGHIJK and B is equals to HIPQ. The first part tell us list all the elements in A union B in set notation. Second part, draw a Venn diagram to represent the set A and B. Firstly, we have to solve first part. A union B equals to bracket open FGH IJK and PQ bracket close. Now it's time for second part, which is Venn diagram. So we draw a Venn diagram. In A part we write FGJK and in the B circle we write PQ. If we combine together, because union is all about the similar values, so IJ are the similar values. Okay class, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Thanks for watching and keep like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.